Kani kadiga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Komsi benta ban Aiman Sim Shushu yaki doktor bat ki nurse, bat kumjuru yaki breu ki bahakat nat ka kot kakya. Ka Rotary Club of Shillong hapo ka jelam, jong o president uba David Umdor, haka khandai terek mentabna jembang arajar arpo. Galet ban IT daki hand sanitizer ki jing sopkti bat ki face mask sheki bot peniat jong ka Smed Primary Health Center. Yakini ki jing asobha daka Rotary Club of Shillong la shimti da doctors em. Ubapet yakini Primary Health Center haka bala sakhilang ro daki dukhat jong ka club usoda jong ka Smed kuntop ru ikinong ilam snong bat kiwi.
See, at this time of distress, being a doctor myself, I can understand how difficult it is to manage the patients. If you have heard about what happened yesterday in Guwahati, some of the doctors only, the frontline workers, they have been affected. And it's in this time, like when from the Rotary, the organization Rotary, which we are trying to do our little bit for all the clubs all across the district. This is a large district. Past District Governor Manas Chaudhary has mentioned about the international organization which Rotary is, but the district, which we call it, District 3240, comprises of 9 states, 7 sisters, Sikkim and a part of Bengal. And as the district governor of the District 3240, I would like to say that Rotary in all the clubs in the district has been doing for this COVID pandemic which we are facing now. We have distributed masks, sanitizers, we have distributed gloves, we are giving food to the needy. And this is all possible because the Rotary International has given us the funds. It's our heart also, it's our own money also sometimes, which is being put into place to see that people in this time of distress, they are benefited. But again, let me thank all the frontline workers, the doctors, the paramedics, the nurses. All of you are helping so much in this COVID pandemic. Thank you all again. We would be there to support you whenever it's necessary. Please get back to our president also or to any one of us. If at all anything is needed, if we could be of your, to come to your help. Thank you.
The staff nurses and all the staff, we have to cater to the needs of the patients who come here and expect us to do our duties and be here, because where else will they go? Because especially during this lockdown, where they can't go to Shillong or elsewhere, they have to come to us and we have to perform our duty. It's a big challenge for us, and in times like this, if like Rotary Club today come to us and give us it's a big encouragement to all of us, a big morale booster. I see in a time like this, and we expect that in the times to come when we need, as said, that we can call you and let you know whatever we need, and that's the only thing I want to say. Thank you so much, sir.